Best spot cleaning machine. Welcome to our ultimate guide on the best spot cleaning machines. If you're tired of stubborn stains on carpets, upholstery, or car interiors, you're in the right place. Today, we'll explore a variety of powerful and portable cleaners designed to tackle tough messes with ease. From the Hoover PowerScrub XL to the BISSELL Little Green Pro, we'll break down each machine's key features, including suction power, tank capacity, and specialized tools. Whether you're a pet owner or simply looking to maintain a spotless home, we've got the perfect cleaning solution for you. Let's dive in. Hoover PowerScrub XL Upright Carpet Cleaner Machine. The Hoover PowerScrub XL Upright Carpet Cleaner is designed to tackle tough stains with its 5 counter-rotating spin scrub brushes, which scrub from multiple angles for effective cleaning. It features heat force technology for faster drying, ensuring carpets are refreshed quickly. The included upholstery tool allows for deep cleaning of fabrics and furniture, while the nozzle cleanout tool makes it easy to remove dirt and debris from the brushes. With quick clean mode, carpets can dry in as little as 30 minutes. The dual tank system keeps clean water and cleaning solutions separate from dirty water, enhancing cleaning efficiency. The package includes an 8-foot hose, upholstery tool, and a trial-sized carpet cleaner solution, backed by a 2-year limited warranty. Dirt Devil Multi-Surface Total Pet Bagless Upright Vacuum Cleaner. The Dirt Devil Multi-Surface Total Pet Bagless Upright Vacuum Cleaner is engineered for efficient cleaning with its max power technology, delivering maximum suction to tackle dirt and prevent clogs. This vacuum is specifically designed for pet owners, featuring a comprehensive pet toolkit that includes a dusting brush, crevice tool, pet turbo tool, and an extension wand, allowing for versatile cleaning beyond just floors. Its PowerPass technology minimizes dirt scatter, reducing vacuuming time and enhancing overall effectiveness. Weighing just 18 pounds, it combines portability with powerful performance. The vacuum is covered by a 2-year limited warranty, ensuring reliable use and satisfaction for pet owners seeking a thorough cleaning solution. Ionvac Stain Lifter Portable Carpet and Upholstery Electric Steam Vacuum Cleaner. The gray portable carpet and upholstery cleaner vacuum offers powerful 12 kilopascal suction, effectively lifting and removing stubborn stains from various surfaces. Its 3-inch deep cleaning brush penetrates deep into fibers, effortlessly breaking up and lifting tough stains. Designed for convenience, the vacuum comes with a 4-foot hose and a 16-foot power cord, allowing for easy maneuverability while cleaning. Additionally, it features a built-in carry handle for effortless transport. The cleaner is equipped with a 1.8-liter clean water tank and a 0.6-liter dirty water tank, ensuring a continuous cleaning process without frequent refills. This portable solution is ideal for maintaining clean carpets and upholstery in any setting. VacLife Handheld Vacuum. The VacLife Handheld Vacuum delivers powerful suction with a high-speed motor reaching up to 35,000 RPM and an exceptional suction power of 4.5 kilopascals, effectively removing dust, debris, and pet hair from carpets, floors, and upholstery. Its cordless and lightweight design, 1.46 pounds, allows for effortless maneuverability, enabling you to clean every corner of your home or car without restrictions. Equipped with a high-efficiency HEPA filter, it captures up to 98% of allergens and tiny particles, ensuring clean air. The vacuum features built-in rechargeable batteries offering 20 minutes of continuous use and an LED light for illuminating dark areas. With 2 versatile attachments, including a crevice nozzle and a dusting brush, it caters to various cleaning needs. BISSELL Little Green Portable Carpet Cleaner. The BISSELL SpotClean Pet Pro is designed to tackle tough pet stains on carpets, upholstery, and car interiors. It features strong spray and suction capabilities, allowing users to effectively lift away messes. With a large 48-ounce tank, you can clean more before needing a refill, enhancing efficiency. Each purchase contributes to the BISSELL Pet Foundation's mission to save homeless pets, making it a socially responsible choice. The cleaner comes equipped with a 3-inch tough stain tool and an 8 ounces trial size of BISSELL Spot and Stain with Febreze Freshness formula, ensuring you have the right tools and solutions to maintain a clean, fresh environment. BISSELL SpotClean ProHeat Pet Portable Carpet. The BISSELL Advanced Pet Spot and Stain Cleaner is engineered for unbeatable tough stain removal using the power of OXY technology. Its heat wave technology, combined with powerful suction, effectively loosens and eliminates stubborn spots and stains from various surfaces, including carpets, upholstery, stairs, and auto interiors, thanks to the included 3-inch tough stain tool. This lightweight and compact cleaner is easy to transport and store, making it convenient for tackling messes wherever they occur. It features a powerful formula specifically designed to combat pet messes and odors, including urine stains. Each purchase contributes to the BISSELL Pet Foundation, supporting efforts to save homeless pets and promote animal welfare. Wall Carpet and Upholstery Cleaner Machine. The powerful vacuum cleaner features 15 kilopascal suction for deep cleaning capabilities, effectively lifting dirt and debris from various surfaces. It is designed with a large clean tank capacity of 1.6 L and a waste tank of 1.25 L, allowing for extended cleaning sessions without frequent refills. The removable water tanks make it easy to fill and clean, enhancing user convenience. A self-cleaning function maintains the device's cleanliness and improves overall cleaning efficiency. With a 5-meter-long power cord, users enjoy increased flexibility and ease of movement while using the vacuum. Weighing only 8.57 pounds and measuring 12 inches by 8.85 inches by 13.77 inches, this lightweight and compact cleaner is ideal for effortless storage and transport. Dirt Devil Portable Carpet and Upholstery Spot Cleaner. The Dirt Devil Portable Carpet and Upholstery Spot Cleaner, FD13010, is designed for ultimate portability, being 20% lighter than leading competitors and weighing just 8 pounds. It features powerful suction capabilities that effectively remove and deodorize pet messes, embedded dirt, and general stains, leaving carpets fresh. The 19-ounce tank is optimized for handling multiple household stains in one go, making it efficient for various cleaning tasks. Maintenance is easy with a built-in hose rinse and a removable lid, ensuring the device remains fresh between uses. The cleaner comes with a 4-inch stain tool and a trial-size solution, and it is backed by a 1-year limited warranty for added peace of mind. BISSELL Little Green Pro Portable Carpet Cleaner. The BISSELL Little Green Pro Portable Carpet Cleaner, 2505, is designed for powerful, on-the-go stain removal, making it ideal for carpets, stairs, upholstery, and auto interiors. Every purchase contributes to the BISSELL Pet Foundation, supporting efforts to save homeless pets. This cleaner combines superior suction with scrubbing action and professional cleaning solutions to tackle stubborn pet stains and embedded dirt, delivering results comparable to professional services. Its powerful Stain Protect technology not only removes tough stains, but also safeguards against future messes while leaving a fresh scent. The unit comes with essential tools, including a deep stain tool and a 4-inch tough stain tool, along with a trial-size Pro Max Clean Plus Protect formula for effective cleaning. Upholstery Carpet Cleaner. The Floorvee Upholstery Cleaner Machine is designed for efficient localized stain cleaning, helping to conserve water and extend the lifespan of carpeted furniture. With powerful suction, 12 kilopascals, and high-pressure spraying, It effectively deep cleans upholstery up to 1.18 inches, easily tackling tough messes like mud, wine, and pet stains. Its upgraded features include 360 degrees universal wheels for maneuverability, a 4-foot hose, and a 10-foot power cord for convenience. The machine boasts separate tanks, 57.5-ounce clean water, 20.5-ounce sewage, 4 hassle-free filling and emptying. It also features a one-touch self-cleaning function to prevent odors and pollution. Mujirbay offers a 30-day money-back guarantee, a 1-year warranty, and lifetime technical support. Thank you for joining us as we explored the best spot cleaning machines available. We hope this guide has helped you find the right cleaner to tackle your toughest stains and keep your home fresh and inviting. Remember, investing in a quality spot cleaner can save you time and effort in maintaining your carpets and upholstery. Don't forget to check out the links in the description for more details on each product. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more cleaning tips and product reviews. Happy cleaning!